What's up, y'all? Alright. So check this out. The other day, I hopped on my YouTube and someone left like 3 comments, I think, I'm not sure. And they're like, you talk like a black person. You're aliens. Stop talking mad shit. But you know what, my haters, they keep going. They push me, you know what I'm saying? I ain't hating on my haters. They hate 'cause they got nothing to do. Like, they literally have nothing to do. This video is towards my haters. Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. Go get 11. Fuck you guys. Because the haters are my motivation. They keep me going. I don't give a fuck if I look like an alien. I don't give a fuck if I sound black. I don't give a fuck if whatever you say about me, 'cause that's not what I think of myself. That's not what my family thinks. That's not what the people who actually takes the time to watch my video think about me. Right? For sure. They get where I'm coming from. If you don't get where I'm coming from, shove a banana up in your ass. That's what's up. And my haters, they got nothing better to do but hate on me. Motherfucker, come on, dawg. Come on, for real. But anyway, just want to make that video. And fuck haters. And let's keep going. We're going to make it to the trap. Peace.